If you stay tuned and notice that I'm not wearing any makeup, I'm trying to scare everybody and scar you all for the rest of your life, but no, I'm not gonna actually do that. So I'm gonna do like a makeup tutorial, and then I'm going to do like a eyeshadow tutorial. So what I'm gonna first of all do is put on this Lancome Sorcel Styler. A lot of people don't realize this is absolutely amazing, and I just want to put it on because it really holds your eyelashes, I should say your eyebrows together. Like, honestly, I'm thinking in the back of my mind, like, I keep saying that. Why do I keep saying thinking in the back of my mind? It's something like hair gel. You use hair gel to style your hair, but it's just that this Sorcel, you're going to be styling your brows. So I usually like to put some of this on when I get a chance to, like, come across it because I have so much makeup. Right before I put on my eyeliner. My eyebrows on. One thing that I've realized that when you're doing like good brows, like my brows have really improved, I realized that you have to clean it up with some concealer.
Come here, and you say what, man? What, man? Not for me. That's for grade 2. Let's see how many. Kids, be telling she said just for grade 1. Come here. I want a cookie. Why? Because you said I can't find a shirt to me. I look at my bag. I can't see nothing. Ano ba yun? Kakaliti. Kasi ka-climb all the way up there.
Guys, so after I've finished with my makeup, I'm going to actually try to do like, I'm not really finished, but I'm just saying I'm going to try to do like a summer eyeshadow look, so stay tuned for that.